just arrived. Here is my old Oyster card that I haven't used in like 10 years. It says I have a 5p balance, and I just topped it up there. It doesn't take cash, so I have to use my credit card. Okay, so you just follow it here. I'm taking the Elizabeth line, so we're just going to follow it here. So this is the Heathrow Express. I do not want this. I'm trying to find the Elizabeth line. It looks like this side. This is the Abbey Wood train. This is not my train. I want the next one. Okay, so we're at Heathrow Terminal 5. I want to go to Forest Gate, which is here. So I want the Shenfield train. This is the Abbey Wood train. So I don't want this one, so I have to wait for, I guess, the next one. Okay, so he said that the Shenfield train is not running yet, so I have to get off at Whitechapel and change at Whitechapel to go. I want to go to Forest Gate. Again, just another map. So we're at Heathrow Terminal 5, and we're trying to get to Forest Gate. So I have to go to Whitechapel and change, because this line isn't coming to Heathrow as of yet, and he said next month it will come.
Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf.
The Heathrow Express service. Heathrow Express tickets are not valid on this train. This train
Forgot to say, so I'm at Whitechapel now. Now I have to switch to the eastbound one to go to Stratford and Forest Gate.
Shenfield. Please move towards the front of the train. Next station, Forest Gate. Change for London Overground lines. In the rear carriages will not open. Please move towards the front of the train. Next station, Forest Gate.
Every year, and my money comes like towards later.
So you just need to tap and get out. And I'll get out here. Good. Okay, so here we are After 15 years in Forest Gate. There's my old school. Oh my lord.